Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion page. First, open your Notion application and go to your workspace. Look for the New Page button, usually a plus sign or text, in the left-hand sidebar. Click it to begin. You can start with a completely blank canvas or explore the hundreds of pre-built templates available to kickstart your project. It's a simple process to get started. Once your page is open, you can immediately start typing to add text. To introduce different types of content, simply type a // and a menu will appear, offering options like headings, to-do lists, or images. You can easily format your text using the pop-up menu that appears when you select words, allowing you to make text bold, italic, or turn it into a heading for better organization and readability. Notion makes organizing your page incredibly intuitive. You can simply click and drag any content block to rearrange it anywhere on your page. To create a multi-column layout, just drag one block next to another, and Notion will automatically snap it into place. Beyond basic text, you can embed powerful databases, add images, or even link to external websites, making your page a comprehensive hub of information. Finally, sharing your Notion page is straightforward. You can invite specific team members to collaborate or generate a public web link for broader access. For more advanced users, Notion offers powerful features like linked databases, allowing you to connect information seamlessly across multiple pages. You can also delve into formulas and relations to build highly customized and efficient workflows, truly maximizing your productivity within the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.